Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli here. Just a news update. Elon Musk just tweeted a very cryptic tweet. First of all, he changed his profile picture on Twitter from whatever it was, I guess it was him, to Mars, and it says revive. I put a picture for you. Also, he tweeted Thursday, this coming Thursday, 2 p.m. California time, Pacific Standard Time, which is 5 p.m. Eastern Time, for those who care, for some kind of an announcement. I read a news article about it on CNN, so obviously people are following. So what will it be? What will it be? Is it going to be the Model 3 base? Is it going to be the Model Y? I don't think so. There are rumors that he was going to do it in Shanghai, but who knows? Is it going to be something about SpaceX? I don't know. I have no idea. What else can it be? Is it going to be Tesla truck? Oh, I wish. That would be awesome. Who knows? So something is happening this coming Thursday, and Elon Musk is the master of creating buzz and news. Sometimes it gets him in trouble. One time it got him in a $20 million trouble. So I hope it is great news, and it's going to be great and awesome, and I hope he's not going to get in trouble, because there's a lot of people and agencies who want him to get in trouble. Not me. I want him to succeed. So what is it going to be? What do you think? Let's make a prediction. Huh? What do you think? I say Model 3 base. That's what I predict. What do you think? All right? Put your predictions below, and we'll see who is right on Thursday. I will watch live. I will tweet. I will broadcast. I will make a video. You can follow me and everything that I do on Twitter, on Facebook, on my channel, of course, on all the social medias and Instagram, everything. All right, guys. See you tomorrow.